Memberships allow me to offer extras to fans like you, and I'm excited to announce that for one low price, you can now access everything I offer on memberships, whether you're on YouTube, Gumroad, or the Patreon platform. I'm also doing away with all these different tiers, and I just have one tier now for each platform. So that means you'll get access to my Corel Painter, Photoshop, and Rebelle brushes, the downloadable content, the longer videos, and much more. Let's go ahead and dive right into my membership page, and I'll show you how to become a member, and I'll also demonstrate some of the benefits that you'll have access to once you sign up. If you haven't already come across a membership button or link on YouTube, Gumroad, or Patreon, you can find those links on my website at aaronrutten.com/join. If you want to learn about the differences between each membership platform, you can click here, and that takes you to this handy-dandy chart which compares each platform. The bulk of my membership benefits are available across all three platforms, but there are a few subtle differences. For example, Patreon has some community-based benefits that the other platforms don't support. YouTube membership has more video content, and Gumroad has the least amount of content, but it's also the easiest to use. And we'll explore each of these in detail in this video. I'll go ahead and go back to the top. If we scroll down a bit, you can see the benefits of membership. You can download my Corel Painter workspace, you can access all of my brushes for Painter, Photoshop, Fresco, Rebelle, and more. You can get 50 to 100% off my select training courses and products. You can view high-resolution layered artwork, and download royalty-free reference images to use in your own artwork. And you'll also get access to slower versions of my tutorials, real-time painting demonstrations, and bonus videos. So it's really as easy as choosing your flavor. You're going to get basically the same content. So let's start with Patreon. That'll take you to my Patreon page, and you can join here. You can pay $10 a month, or you can save 10% if you pay annually. It's the same price on Gumroad, and here you can pay monthly or annually as well. You just click on the subscribe button to join. On YouTube, you can click on the join button on any of my videos, or you can go to aaronrutten.link/join, and you can click on the join button. Now I do want to mention that I've changed things a bit, and I have some older tiers. You're going to want to select the Power Fan $9.99 a month if you want to get access to all this additional content. If you wanted to show a little extra support, you could choose Ultra Fan, or if you're not interested in all that content and you just want to support my channel, then you could choose $4.99 or $2.99. You will get some YouTube-only benefits, such as loyalty badges next to your name in the comments, custom emojis that you can use, and you'll get access to any members-only community posts, which might be early releases of videos and other bonus content. I'll also mention that if you join a higher membership level, you will have access to the benefits from the lower levels as well. So let's say we've joined through one of these three membership platforms. How do we access our content? If you joined Patreon, then it's going to look something like this. And you'll want to look for my pinned post here. This is a post that has the link to the members area on my website, as well as the monthly password you'll need to access it. If I signed up through Gumroad, then I'll look in my email, or I can go to gumroad.com/library, and here I'll be able to access the membership page. I'll select this post here called How to Access Membership Content and Password, and here it gives me that same link to the members page and the same monthly password. If you're on YouTube memberships, then you can look in the Community tab for the link to the membership page and the monthly password. All of the membership benefits are hosted on my website at aaronrutten.com/members. So you could feel free to bookmark this page, but you're going to need the monthly password, which changes on the first of every month. I'll be posting the new password to each membership platform. Once you've entered the password, then you'll be able to see the members area. Here you can view your membership details if you want a reminder of what you have access to. And if you'd like to view details for your Patreon, YouTube, or Gumroad accounts, you can do that here. So if we scroll down a bit, we can see all of the content. For example, here are the brushes. If I want to download the Corel Painter brushes, I'll click on Corel Painter brushes. There are some instructions you'll want to read on this page that explain how to download the files and what you have access to. I'll go ahead and click on View My Dropbox. And in order to access my Dropbox, you'll need to use the same password that you used to log in to the members page. Here's my Dropbox, and you can download my Corel Painter workspace. There are instructions for how to install this, by the way. There are also older versions of my workspace if you're using an older version of Corel Painter. And then there's folders for all of the individual content that's in my workspace. If you download my workspace, it's going to install all of this stuff automatically. But if you wanted to add stuff like the brushes or the gradients to your own workspace, you can do that as well. So for example, I can browse all the brushes. These are sorted by category. And here you can see the brush variant and the icon for the brush. I'll go back to the membership page. We can take a look at Photoshop brushes. The Photoshop brushes are only available for a limited time, so you can download the current set of brushes from this page. Now I won't go through everything here because I want to give you the freedom to explore, but let's take a look at my lesson archive with over 20 hours of archived video lessons. All of these subpages are password protected as well, and the password is the same password for the main page, but you shouldn't have to enter it more than once. There are instructions for how to access these courses. You're going to need to download them from Gumroad and apply the 100% discount. So for example, I could click on Corel Painter Training Course. You can see that it makes it $0, and I can just buy this for $0. Then I can watch this course at gumroad.com/library. I do also want to point out that your download will be delivered instantly via email, so make sure to enter the correct email address because that's where your receipt and your download link are going to go. Let's go back to the members area. There's promo codes for my video courses as well. It's the same kind of process. We'll click here to apply the coupon, and then you can purchase it from Gumroad. I'll scroll down a bit. We have some slower lessons and bonus videos. This is a collection of bonus videos that are available for a limited time, but we have some slower versions of paintings, some real-time processes, some bonus review content, and so on. If you happen to have joined YouTube memberships, then you'll have access to the full collection of bonus videos, slower lessons, and real-time process videos. You can click here to access all of those playlists. And as long as you're logged into your YouTube membership, you should be able to watch all of these videos. You can see there's many, many more videos, live streams, and all kinds of great stuff. There is also some Patreon-only content, such as the monthly group art challenge and the private community page for sharing your art. There you go. That was an in-depth look at the memberships I offer. Memberships help support the content that I create and allow me to continue being a full-time content creator. So thank you very much to everyone out there who's supporting my work through Patreon, Gumroad, or YouTube memberships. If this video didn't answer all of your questions about memberships, feel free to comment and ask a question. I also have a couple of FAQ pages that I'll link you to in the description of this video that go into detail about how to do things like edit or cancel your membership. Thanks for watching and enjoy the members-only content.